this little recap. I know I'm done. I'm hungry and I'm done for right now. Yeah, I'm done too. Yeah. Right now I'm hungry. I'm thinking about still got a little bit more cleanup to do. Yeah. But I'm done picking up the dog poop, so yeah, this is a small recap, so might have to change the batteries. But first I'm thinking about shutting this video down, so if you like me clean up my neighbor's yards and stuff like that, let me know in the comment section. Oh, and just a little heads up, look at all that. Also, it's trash, but I'm getting paid for it. Sorry if I get confused what I said. So yeah, I'm getting paid for it. Yeah. Well, look, I'm out of here, so peace, love, all this fair, love, and work for.